Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. For today's one, I thought I would share with you a week of dinners. So this is everything we had over the course of 7 days as a family of 5. I'm just gonna show you like what we tend to eat. I know that I love watching videos like this. I always get loads of inspiration from it. So let me know if you guys like it as well in the comments or just by giving this video a big like. And yeah, let's get into it. Tonight for dinner, we are having a roast. We tend to do this every Sunday. We've gotten the habit of just adding it to our shopping cart and having it every Sunday. Even though it is 30 degrees outside today, we're still having a roast dinner, and it's actually really reasonable to buy a whole chicken rather than chicken breasts. It feeds our whole family, obviously, for tonight, but then we also get leftover. We give some to the dog, and then we can have it the next day as well. And the way we roast our chicken is actually in the air fryer. So we roast it for 15 minutes upside down, so like the skin side down, for 15 minutes to crisp it, and then we flip it over and we do it for about an hour, and then the roast potatoes and everything else is in the oven. Matt normally does it as well, so thank you, Matt. And yeah, this is our dinner. Cauliflower cheese is the best bit. That's it. Okay, so tonight for dinner, we are having a one-pot pasta dish that I love. I've been making it for ages. You can have it as a veggie dish, or this time I've actually added chicken into it, but it tastes nice either way. And I love that it's just all in one pot. You basically add in onions, chicken, tomato puree, garlic paste, and then you add in loads of cherry tomatoes, which kind of makes the sauce. It cooks down to like nothing. And then you add in a ton of chicken stock and pasta, and then you leave it for about 15 minutes to just cook and like cook the pasta, and it tastes really delicious. It's full of veggies because there's loads of tomatoes and there's 3 peppers in it as well. So yeah, it's a really nice one. It's really Moorish because at the end I add in 3 tablespoons of cream and then a whole bowl of mozzarella. You kind of break it up into it, and it is really delicious. So I will write it in the description down below if you want to try it. But normally this will feed our family, but then it will also give us like a few lunches after that because it makes quite a lot. So yeah, that is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hi guys, so for tonight's dinner, which I actually nearly forgot to film, is quesadillas and chicken teriyaki. I would say that this meal is the kids' absolute favorite, and it's great because it takes like 10 minutes to make. So we just fry some chicken, put some teriyaki sauce on it, which they love. Then we've just got raw peppers tonight, and then quesadillas, which is wraps, and then refried beans and cheese. You can put veg and chicken into it as well, but we've just fried that, and they really, really love it. Tonight, Caleb has like his year 6 performance, so it's kind of like get everyone back, quickly like feed everyone, and then get him back to school for the performance. So it's a really quick, easy dinner, and we have this probably once a week. Don't you think, Dar? Yeah. The kids always request this one. So yeah, that is dinner tonight. Hi guys, so tonight for dinner we are having a barbecue. So Matt did everything outside on our barbecue, and we're having chicken thighs, which we get with the skin on. So Matt takes all of the bones out of it, but it makes it really cheap and really tasty as well. On some of them we have this Nando's, what is it, smoky barbecue rub on the chicken, and then he does it for like half an hour on the barbecue. And then we've also got some potato salad, which is literally like we boiled the potatoes for 20 minutes, cut it up, added mayo and chives. Really, really tasty. And then we've got corn on the cob as well, which he did on the barbecue. And we're actually gonna eat outside tonight because it is so beautiful. So yeah, oh, some of the boys have noodles, some of the boys have potato salad, and they've got cucumber as well, and some corn. But yeah, that is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hi guys, tonight for dinner we are having another like summer dinner. It's really hot here at the moment, so that's probably why we're having like barbecues and things like that. But tonight we're having lamb kofta wraps. So in this wrap we put hummus, then seasoning, a little bit of sweet chili sauce, tomatoes, rocket, and then the lamb koftas on top. And it's really, really delicious. We just have one big one each. And then we've actually got some leftover potato salad still from last night, which is probably even better second time round. So yeah, that is what we're having for dinner tonight. I thought I would show you what we're having tonight. We're having crusted cod. So I've got the cod just here. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some melted butter over the fish. JJ's dancing behind the camera. Jay, do you want to say hi?
Hey!
Well done. You want to help me make this?
What do you even do?
So we're going to mix all of these in this bowl. Do you want to put them in?
These ingredients.
Yeah, so we've got breadcrumbs. I'm going to put that in. We've got Parmesan cheese. I will link this recipe for you guys in the description. We've got lemon zest.
Hey, yo, that's zest. Oh.
There we go. You might need to get a spoon actually. Lemon zest and then garlic granules as well. And you can add parsley, except the kids don't want the parsley bit. All right, okay, salt. Do you want to try and do this? Like this? Move this end bit. Can you try?
Too salt. Too
Do that like that? That's not.
Now give me the pepper.
And the pepper. You gonna try? That's it. Well done.
By
That's
the way,
good.
if
Then-
you don't want to put on too much, you can just go like this.
Oh yeah. You mix it up. And then we're basically gonna put the cod into the breadcrumbs and then put that in the oven.
Twick them.
And then we go.
Now you do it.
Okay, you do it.
Why
That's
don't you go like that?
Well done, JJ. Then it should look like this. I basically spooned any excess on top of the fish. And then I'm just gonna add some olive oil. And then this is gonna go into the oven for about 10 minutes. And then you can put it under the grill to make it like browner on top as well. But that is it. And then we're gonna serve it with rice and veggies. So yeah, that is dinner tonight. How my dinner's looking. Rice, cod, broccoli. Some people are having pasta with the cod. Tonight for dinner, it's Saturday night and we are having a curry, and it's one that we actually got this recipe in our HelloFresh box like years and years ago, and we loved it so much we just keep remaking it. We've actually made this dish when friends come round and it's always like a hit. So it's red lentil and sweet potato curry. There's onions in it, and it's a veggie one as well because there is halloumi. You basically fry the halloumi with mango chutney and you put that on top, and it's really delicious. They've got naan bread and green beans, and the boys have some leftover chicken and teriyaki and some breaded chicken as well that we also had. So theirs is like a bit more of a mix. But yeah, that is what we're having for dinner tonight. And we thought we'd sit outside, but it's actually a little bit grey. Yeah. Anyway, I think I'll end the vlog here because that is 7 days of meals. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think in the comments because that's a really good indicator to me as to whether you like this kind of thing or you don't. But yeah, thanks again, and I will see you guys in my next episode.